What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get to level 10 quickly in Steam. So let's get started. So first, you need to install the Steam application by going to the Steam's official website. And after installing the Steam application, you just need to log in or sign up with your account. And this is how the application dashboard will appear. Now from here, on the side, on your profile section, you need to click on that manage account and then click on view my profile. After clicking on view my profile, your profile section will open. From here on the right side, you will see the option of badges. Click on this, and let me tell you guys, if you want to get to the level 10 quickly on Steam, you need to collect as more badges as you can, because when the badges increase, the level of your profile automatically increases. So how will you earn badges? By playing more and more games, and by playing more and more games, you will receive much more cards, and when you trade in that cards to badges, you will get more badges, and when you get more badges, you will get more level, and your profile will be leveled up, and you can reach to level 10 on Steam quickly. So as you can see, these are the cards you can trade in for, and after that, when you are done trading all the cards, you can see all the badges, and when you see all the badges, you will automatically see your profile level. And this is how you can reach to level 10 on Steam. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.